Today I'll be showing you how to convert these grass seeds into grass. That's correct. So we can fix our lawn. Let's get started. So here it is, the soil mixed with grass seeds. These are the patches which doesn't have the grass. So I filled the area which doesn't have the grass with lots of soil and mixed with grass seeds and then wet it a bit. Okay, so the first step is to get a dark soil that's a bit damp and wet. And once you have that ready, then what you want to do is pour the seed around the area you want to grow the grass and then mush them in like this. Okay, mush them in. Mushing like almost like a dough. You're trying to mush them together like a dough, and then using a rake, just spread them out like that evenly. Okay, there we go. There we go. Like that. You're good to go. Okay. And the next step, of course, is to water it. So after 2 weeks, there we have it. The grass is growing. It's getting there. Enjoy.